Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix App Store not working in your iPhone. So guys, if you want to open your App Store for downloading apps and App Store is not working, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open your App Store and wait for opening, and after this you need to click on your main profile, scroll it down, and here is the option of sign out. So first of all, you need to sign out from App Store and sign in again, and after this your problem will be solved. So if not fixed, then you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So here you can see my iPhone is not updated. So first of all, you need to update it, and after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, go back, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this, go back, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. And here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad, and here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad. And after putting here, your setting will reset, and after reset settings your problem will be fixed. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. If you have still this problem, then you need to open settings again, click on your Apple ID, scroll it down, and sign out your Apple ID. And after sign out Apple ID, sign in again in your iPhone, and after signing your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open your app store smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.